Prompt number 30. Select an epigraph. An epigraph is an apposite quote at the beginning of the book or chapter, and it helps amplify your theme. It helps the reader understand where you're heading. These are often a quote from the Bible, a line from Shakespeare, or a poem. They are thought-provoking, pithy. They get people thinking. Once you select your epigraph, it helps you use it as a kind of mooring. You're floating in the sea of your story, and there's always that epigraph tied to the buoy. It grounds you. I can't wait to hear what your epigraph is. I look forward to reading it if you put it in the comments, or even better, record a little video and upload it using the hashtag #BeatTheBotsBook. I read them all. I've watched the videos. I'm very excited to see what you came up with. And don't forget to tag me too, so that I can share your story, because your story matters. Your epigraph matters. Your opinions, your voice, they all matter. And I can't wait to share it with my growing and supportive writing community. If you came to this video in any way other than the book, Beat the Bots, A Writer's Guide to Surviving and Thriving in the Age of AI, I do hope you'll take a look at the book. It's filled with 12 science-based, researched, proven creativity tactics. They're exercises and worksheets. It's all designed to help you harness your creativity, to come up with fresh innovation, new ideas, new approaches. That's how we beat the bots. Would you ask your librarian to put it on the shelf and your independent bookseller? I'd be so grateful. Thank you.